The sixth shiur on Hilchos Teshuvah. Keitzad misvadin, says the Rambam in Hilchos Teshuvah Perik Aleph, halacha Aleph. How you do VIDUY? The Rambam is teaching us the way that we do VIDUY. So let's see first the words of the VIDUY, like the Rambam says, and then we try to explain it. He says, Oimer, he comes and he says, Ono Hashem, I'm begging you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Chatosi avisi poshati lefonecha. I did sins, averas, and chotasi, when shoygek, by mistake. I did avisi, I did averas bemezid, by will, I wanted to do the avera. Poshati, I reviled against you and did averas. Ve'os lefonecha, and everything, it was in front of you, and your world, and your place. I mean, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you are the one in charge. It's your world. You Adon Olam, the master of the world. And in your world, in your place, in your Beis Medrash, I did the averas, the sin against you. Ve'osisi kach vekach, and I did this and this. He says, and I was mechalel Shabbos, and I did this avera, and I did that avera. Every avera that he did, he says ve'osisi kach vekach. Veharei nichamti uvoishti b'masai. Nichamti is I changed my thoughts. That means my machshave is different. I thought one way, I had one point of view, one hashkafa in life, and it changed. I turned myself. You see it in a lot of time in Psukim. Ki nichamti ki asisim. Yeah, in the end of Parashas Bereishis, HaKadosh Baruch Hu says Rashi nichamti machshava acheres. The pasuk in Shmuel, ki loy adam hu lehinochem. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is not like a human being that he turns his ideas, yeah, when he thinks one way and then he decides different. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is not lehinochem. Nechama, always nechama, also nichum avelim, is to think on things in a different way. And he says, Ribbon Shloim, when you come in to say VIDUY, you say, nichamti, I changed my mind, uvoishti b'masai, and now I ashamed with the actions I did. Okay, that's two parts, nichamti uvoishti b'masai, and then he says, ule oilam, and never ever, eini chayzer ledavar zeh, I'm not going back to what I did. V'zehu ikaroi shel VIDUY. That's the main part of VIDUY. V'kol amar beleis vadois umarich b'inyan zeh, harei zeh meshubach. If you could say more and express yourself more and speak more about the VIDUY and everything, it's harei zeh meshubach. That's a shvach and a meile. It's very great if you could do it and speak even more. Let's start a few dots. Nekudas, we'll Be'ezer Hashem see more later. But the first thing is on Hashem. The way of coming to say VIDUY is a way of tefillah. It's a prayer. You come and stand in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we start, Honor Hashem. And the basics of it is a Mishnah in Yuma. The Gemara in Yuma says that when the Kohen Gadol starts to say the VIDUY and Yom Kippurim, so he starts with the word Honor Hashem, and he says Honor Bashem. It means because HaKadosh Baruch Hu Hashem Havaya is Havaya Hashem Keil Rachum V'Chanun Yud Gimel Midah Shel Rachamim. And the Gemara in Rosh Hashanah tells us that Hashem is Hashem Koidem Sheyechet Ha'adam Ve'le'achar Sheyechet Ha'adam. Before the sin, before the Avera is Avaya. Hashem, He gives us with a mercy and Rachmim and Chasadim and Chemla always. The same thing also Hashem later. Le'achar Shechota. So, honor Hashem. Please, Hashem, that you are this Hashem, Keil Rachum V'Chanun. That before the sin and after the sin, the same Shem, it doesn't change. It's Hashem before and Hashem after. Like the Maharal explains in the Teshuvah, Perik Zayin. Honor Hashem. In front of Hashem, the chesed and rachamim, without no limits, even after a sin, in front of you, we're coming to say and to ask and to beg, Chotasi avisi poshati ve'osisi kach v'kach. Every avera I did includes in it also a chet, also a avoin, and also a pesha, like we learned. The lesson, yeah, we learned already this yesod, that every time you have mezid, shoygeg, and pesha, and every avera. That's why we say chotasi avisi poshati lefonecha ve'osisi kach v'kach. Even could we did it b'shoygeg, but we say chotasi avisi poshati, and then we come and we say it's not only now I'm doing the teshuvah. Okay, I'm not going to do it no more. Harei nichamti uvoishti b'masai, like we learned Okay, I think it was the second lesson. That nichamti uvoishti b'maasai, there is the midos, there is the hashkafos, and there is the actions. That's the way the sin is built, and that's the way the return is built. And that's why nichamti uvoishti b'maasai, and le'olam eini chayzer ledavar zeh. And I'm going, and I also aziv asachet and kabbalah le'osid, and like we be'ezer Hashem learn in the next shiurim.